Hello guys, welcome to my kids incubator videos, and here I'm about to show you this microcomputer temperature controller which is used to control a temperature in the incubator. So right now, as you can see, we are here to wire the microcomputer temperature controller. So here I have a diagram of how I wired it, and I'll show you on the device. So you can see live and neutral. So live will go straight to the power, that is where live will come from. So you have to connect the live together, but before you connect the live to the controller, you have to add a wire to it and connect it to the controller. So that means we are going to loop it to S1. So on the controller, you can see there is S1 right here. So S1, we are going to loop. So you can see this is my power cable and this is my live. So I have added a wire to my live and giving it to S1. So in my live I have two wires there, one going to S1 and one going to the main power. So we move on to the next one, which is neutral. Neutral is always like there's no power in it, but the live helps the neutral to work. So neutral is going to also be two wires. So we are going to join two wires together, one which is going to the bulb which we are going to use to go as our heater, and the other going to the main power. So at our neutral, you can see the wire is two over there. So one is leading to the bulb we have here, and the other is going to, the other wire from the bulb is going to S2. So that's how you are going to wire your microcomputer temperature controller. So I'm going to power it, and then we're going to learn how to set it. So we have our power supply here. Power it. And then we're going to set it. So right now our settings are all correct, so the bulb is on, and the way to set it is using these buttons. We have set, we have arrow key up, arrow key down, save button, or turn off button. So we press and hold set to get F1, press set again to get this feature. If it is on C, please change it to H. So to do that, you have to press and hold the set to be able to change it with the arrow key down or arrow key up. So since it's on H, you are going to leave it there and press arrow key down to change it to F2. Press set again to activate that feature. Press and hold to change the figures. Do the same to the others. You press down key F3. You press and hold to change it to any figure you want it. And F4, you press and hold to change it, but we are going to leave it at 1. So whatever settings you are seeing here, you should do the same to your controller. You should leave this one at 0.0, press and hold. This one tells you the alarm you want, like the overheating you want it to reach, and to let you know it's overheating. So you leave it there, and then you press down key and press power button. So that's it. So right now we are going to increase the temperature and see what happens. So I'm increasing the temperature. And you can see when it reaches the maximum power or the maximum heat, it brings out the HH sign. So that means it's overheating. But when we try to cool it down, you see it goes back to 39. then it comes down to, I think 37.0 or 37.0, yeah, 37.0, it comes on. So that's how you set your microcomputer. So let me bring the manual and show you. So here we have the manual that I used, which shows that F1 is the operating mode, which is supposed to be at H, which is heat, but on the manual is C, but make sure it's H. F2 is temperature set value, which is supposed to be at 37.8, so 37.8 or 37.5, you can set it that way. F3 is different set value, so you should set that as 0.5, sorry, 0.5. F4 is compressor delay time, so you set that as 1. F5 is temperature calibration value, which is supposed to be at 0.0. F6 is high temperature alarm, which is supposed to be at 39 or 38.5, anyhow you set it. So if you need anything on how to set it or on how to connect it, let me know down in the comments below. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.